Bruh! Oh, you almost give me a concussion! Because I got a custom 100 right now, right? But either way, let's get to it. My boy! Bruh! Bro! Don't bite me so little, bro. $8. Everybody, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a very long time since I posted. I want to appreciate everybody that liked, subscribed, commented on my previous videos. I greatly appreciate it. I got the homie Junior with me. Now, today we're going to do something really big. Now, I always hated changing GT parts prior to doing all this, alright? So I always liked the GT look. I never wanted to change it, but it was just time, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like the 9901 Cobra bumper, so I got it. The side mirrors are dope. The sail panels are dope, so it's, a lot of things that are changed. The wheels are dope as well, but obviously that's not really, you know, related to the GT Cobra thing. But anyways, we're gonna change the rear of the vehicle. Now, we got the GT trunk that has a GT spoiler, and I think it came with some other cars like the Mach 1, and there's a bunch of them. You already know there's a bunch of new edges, but we're gonna change it. We're gonna change it up to something dope that I've been wanting since I bought the car. So, you know, enough talking, let's show you what we got. Alright, homies, so here it is. Cobra trunk and a Cobra spoiler, and yes, it's OEM. I got it off Facebook Marketplace for 400 bucks, so to me, I think it was a steal. What do you think about this trunk, Junior?
Good as deal.
Yeah, better than the GT one?
I think so. Definitely.
Yeah, most definitely. It's gonna look really dope, especially with my car hood. The way the car looks, I think it's gonna look really, really menacing.
With a ducktail.
Oof, man, this is so clean. Like, I love this thing. Now, it did come with the third brake light. I took it off in order for it to get painted. It was white. It belonged to a homie of mine named DTX Lido. I'll get to that later to the video about that story. But yeah, man, it's just a really, really nice trunk, a really nice spoiler. I can't wait to put it on the car, so let's go ahead, put it on, see how it looks like, and get a before and after of what the car looked like with the GT one and with the Cobra one. So let's get to it.
The mechanic right here. And alright, Raymond. Oh shoot!
Hey, this whole workout. I'm over here doing biceps.
Well, you almost give me a concussion, won't you? Alright, homies, so that's why you may need, or actually you kind of do need a second person. That way they can hold it. You take off the bolts, and that way also it doesn't go towards the rear windshield. They maybe even crack it. That's why I put these two microfiber towels on each end. That way it wouldn't happen. But now that I got the GT trunk off, let's do a side-by-side comparison of the Cobra trunk with the GT trunk and see how they look like next to each other. So let's get to that. This is my battery, poop. Not. Alright, homies, so we are done. It's nighttime. I'm sleepy, but man, let me show you how this came out. Oh man, it looks so nice. Now I know it's really dark, but you can still see the ducktail, the Cobra spoiler, whatever you want to call it. It just looks really nice. I'm really happy how it came out. But since it's so dark out here, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning so I can get a better look. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, homies. So back here in the morning. Obviously there's sun now. It's too bright. It's too hot. But check her out, homies. It looks so clean. Now I did put their brake light. I put a little film on top of it. It's like just like a tint. It looks pretty dope. You can't really see it that well. I really don't care. But man, does it look nice. Like, this whole trunk looks so good. I have to watch it, take pictures. But man, when I say this thing looks absolutely amazing, especially from the side, from the rear, I mean really all angles, it just looks really good. Well homies, that is really it. Let me close out the video, and yeah, so let's get to it. Alright homies, so we're completely done with the trunk. I'm so happy how it came out. I'm really excited for these photos. For, you know, from the side, but if you see it from the rear, it just looks really nice compared to the GT one. No shame on the GT one, I just like this one a lot better. Now, I didn't have a rear license plate because I got a custom one. Now it says GT at the end, there's 4 of the letters. I want y'all to guess it in the comment section. Let me know what you think it says. The reveal will be on my Instagram when I post the photo, so remember to follow me at DFW Danny. I greatly appreciate you guys, liking, subscribing, commenting on my previous videos. It really, really helps, and I really appreciate it, homies. I love responding to y'all. If you guys have any questions, if I missed something, please let me know. I'm always able to help you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, homies. Let's get this video to 40 likes. And yeah, homies, I hope you guys like it. This is just really nice. I'm just so happy how it came out super hot here in Texas. So I try to do the best I can. It's 100 degrees. Man, it's just, woo. Like right now, I'm just sweating right now just even talking to y'all. But thank you guys. I'll see you until next time.